Oh, what do I not like about my new kitchen, which I can't think of anything to say. Like, this is gonna sound really weird, but if I could just bring a sleeping bag in here and just sleep in here all the time, this is my favorite room in the house now. The lighting is like 5 times brighter. This used to be one of the dimmest rooms in the house because we had an old fluorescent thing that we didn't want to fix anything out because we kept saying for 20 years, oh, we'll get it done someday, we'll do everything. So we did minimal amount of work in the kitchen. And then we ended up having to do everything from top to bottom, of course. But I wanted a really functional kitchen. I have a brand new island that I didn't have for 20 years. And so for 20 years in this kitchen, almost the only place to really cook was in this corner. You couldn't really stand anywhere else. There just wasn't enough countertop. We had, you know, dish rack and all kinds of stuff here. So the island was really, really huge. That's been fantastic to have. And I love that so, so much. It's got power on both sides. It's got a little countertop for me to sit at. And then the pantry, on this side, you can't see it on camera, but it's completely different to the way it was when I first moved into this house. We just tore it out and completely redid it with IKEA cabinets. And it's just fantastic, the amount of extra stuff I can put in here. It's so much more organized. So for me, because I really love to cook, I wanted, aside from a glamorous kitchen, I wanted a really functional kitchen. That was really actually my priority, and that's what I got like in spades. Everything is fantastic. It's great to have new appliances, but the cabinets are so organized. My spices are in drawers in a way that works really, really well for cooking. Again, the pantry is fantastic. All the storage is really good. So for me, it's just become, I think it's a beautiful kitchen. I love the way it turned out, but it's, for me, more than anything, just really, really functional. I love it in here. I love to spend my time in here. I've been cooking all my favorite dishes to just sort of test it out and see how it works. Everything works really, really well. And I've just been cooking like a nut because it's just so great to be in here. It's a great kitchen now. Favorite room in the house, favorite room, absolutely.